You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn together how to pronounce this name once and for all, even though there are different pronunciations. So let's go through the most common ones, and then you can help us and help the community learn more. Alleyne is one of the most common pronunciations. Alleyne, Alleyne. Many pronounce it also as Alleyne or Alleyne, with a stress on the first syllable. So essentially you either stress on the first syllable, Alleyne, or Alleyne. I've heard some people say it as Alleyne as well. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments how you like it or how you want it pronounced. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.